How to watch live football on YouTube TV app on a computer. Step number 1, open your web browser. YouTube TV does not have a standalone desktop app, but you can access it via a browser. Launch a browser like Google Chrome, Safari, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox on your computer. Step number 2, visit the YouTube TV website. Navigate to tv.youtube.com. Sign in with your Google account credentials associated with your YouTube TV subscription. Step number 3, navigate to live sports content. After logging in, click on the Live tab at the top of the page to access the channel guide. Scroll through the guide to find channels broadcasting live football games such as ABC, CBS, Fox, NBC, ESPN, and NFL Network. Step number 4, search for specific games or teams. Use the search bar to look up specific leagues, games, or teams. Select the game or event from the search results to begin streaming. Step number 5, stream live football. Click on the channel showing the live football game. Use the player controls to adjust volume, playback quality, or switch to full screen mode for a better viewing experience. Step number 6, record games with Cloud DVR. To record a live football game, click the plus icon next to the events in the channel guide. The recording will be saved in your library where you can access and watch it later. Step number 7, optimize your viewing experience. Ensure you have a stable internet connection with sufficient speed, at least 7 megabytes per second for HD streaming. Use headphones or external speakers for better audio quality. Optional, create a desktop shortcut for YouTube TV. If you're using Google Chrome, you can create a shortcut for easier access. Open YouTube TV in Chrome, click the 3-dot menu in the top right corner, select More Tools, Create Shortcut. Enable Open as window for an app-like experience.